So we have here 06 Ford F150. You got is a power window that you can roll down but can't roll up. You have to play with the switch. Try and get the window to go up, and you can sometimes get the window to go up. There you go. So we have a bad switch. So what we're going to do is replace this switch. Alright, we're going to remove the bezel for the switch. Plastic trim tool, simple tool. What I'm going to do, stick it in there. What I normally do is gently twist. You don't want that to happen. Push. Gently twist, and then you lift up and slide out. Got the tabs there that lock in. You don't want to pry up in this area, because on the bottom side of this, as you can see, you have two clips that lock into these two locations here. So you basically get the tool in there, twist and pop, the tool in there, twist and pop. Two electrical plugs, and then two release tabs to release it. So fairly straightforward, fairly simple job to do. Just squeeze the little tabs, pop out. Same plastic trim tool. Plastic does like to break, so you got to be careful. And it appears somebody glued this in. See the glue there? See the glue there? That is not factory. And on the underside, we're going to undo the rest of these switches. Yep. So as you can see, somebody previous was in here and broke it all apart. They glued the switch in to the bezel. In this instance, you don't know what's going to happen to get it apart. You can further break the bezel. We don't know what they did. Could be double-faced tape, could be glue. Whatever they did, they made the job way harder. It looks like it's double-faced tape that they used. On the inside you can see this normally would not be that hard. I'm pushing from the back side while trying to release whatever the f they put on here. Clearly did not need this amount of glue or adhesive to hold this switch in. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. What I'm going to do is just test the new switch. Advent of a bunch of bad parts, with the recent parts being continuously bad. At least put the switch in, give it a quick test, make sure it works. Should always check all your windows to make sure they work. Your window lockout. All the windows work. So now we're going to see if we can get this switch in there in the bezel. I might leave the little bit of double face tape they put on there and put 2 little pieces of double face tape on this to get this to lock in. Stole a little bit of double face tape from the Brazilian neighbor. I'm not going to go crazy because I'm going to try and get a bezel for this customer. At least I can deliver the car today. And all you do, snap it in place. Done. All good. Job complete.